Veal soup with macaroni. 3 pounds of veal knuckle or scrag with the bones broken and meat cut up. 3 quarts water. 1/4 pound Italian macaroni. Boil the meat alone in the water for nearly 3 hours until it is reduced to shreds, and the macaroni until tender, in enough water to cover it, in a vessel by itself. The pieces should not be more than 1 inch in length. Add a little butter to the macaroni when nearly done. Strain the meat out of the soup, season to your taste, put in the macaroni and the water in which it was boiled. Let it boil up, and serve. You can make macaroni soup of this by boiling 1 pound instead of 1/4 pound in the second vessel, and adding the above quantity of veal broth. In this case, send on with a plate of grated cheese. Let those who cannot relish macaroni without this accompaniment may put it into their soup. Take care that the macaroni is of uniform length, not too long, and that it does not break while stewing. Add butter in proportion to the increased quantity of macaroni.